of days long gone, the voice of Éire still lives on. Oh, Éire, my heart, your rivers weep, your dreams are sown in fields so deep. Through mist and rain, your spirit flies in every tear.